Over 60? Your first meal can set the tone for the whole day. A tiny breakfast, just coffee, toast, or a little fruit, doesn't give your muscles the signal they need to stay strong. The fix is simple and gentle. Build breakfast around about 30 grams of protein. In this episode, I'm ranking 5 high-protein breakfasts, each with 30 grams or more, by cost, speed, and how easy they are to eat. I'll show you simple swaps if you're plant-based, lactose-sensitive, or watching blood sugar. The budget winner is under $2 per serving. First plate in a moment, let me quickly explain why 30 grams matters after 60. As we age, our muscles get a bit stubborn. Small amounts of protein don't flip the switch as well as they used to. Most older adults do best with roughly 25 to 35 grams of high-quality protein at a meal, including enough leucine to send a clear build and repair message to the body. Think of 30 grams as a simple target. It's the level that supports muscle protein synthesis for many people after 60. When you start the day by hitting that mark, you're not just full, you're giving your muscles what they need to maintain strength.
Number 5 is a classic, salmon and eggs. 2 large eggs give you about 12 grams of protein. Add 3 ounces, around 85 grams, of canned salmon for another 19 to 20 grams, a squeeze of lemon, and cracked pepper. You're at roughly 31 to 32 grams total. It's rich in omega-3s for heart and brain health, and the texture is easy for most people. The downside is that canned salmon can be a little pricier, and not everyone wants fish first thing in the morning. If you do, this is a powerhouse plate. If you're watching sodium, choose a low-sodium brand and go easy on salt. Number 4 is warm and comforting, protein oats, with no powders required. Gently cook half a cup of dry oats, about 40 grams, in 1 cup of milk. When it's creamy, turn the heat low and whisk in half a cup of liquid egg whites until they turn silky. The oats bring about 5 grams of protein, the milk about 8 grams, and the egg whites about 13 grams. Add 2 tablespoons of skim milk powder to boost another 7 to 8 grams, and you land around 33 to 34 grams total. If you prefer not to use milk powder, add a generous dollop of Greek yogurt on top for an extra 8 to 10 grams. Keep the heat gentle so the egg whites don't scramble, and season with cinnamon and a few berries. If you're managing blood sugar, keep fruit portions modest and enjoy the oats with plenty of protein just like this.
Number 3 is fast and fresh, a cottage cheese bowl. Take 1 cup, about 225 grams, of low-fat cottage cheese for roughly 24 to 26 grams of protein. Stir in a 1/4 cup, about 60 grams, of Greek yogurt or a tablespoon or 2 of skim milk powder to push you over 30 grams. Add a small handful of berries or pineapple for brightness and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin or chia seeds for a gentle crunch and a couple more grams of protein. If lactose bothers you, choose lactose-free cottage cheese, or go half cottage cheese, half lactose-free Greek yogurt. This bowl is high in calcium, easy to chew, and ready in 2 minutes. If you're watching sodium, rinse your cottage cheese briefly in a fine strainer or look for a lower sodium brand. Number 2 is a plant-based star, tofu scramble with edamame. Crumble 5 ounces, about 150 grams, of firm tofu into a pan with a little olive oil, turmeric, black pepper, and soft vegetables like onions, mushrooms, or spinach. Stir in half a cup of shelled edamame, about 75 grams, and warm everything through. Tofu gives you roughly 17 to 18 grams of protein. The edamame adds another 8 to 9 grams, bringing you to about 30 to 31 grams. If you like, finish with a tablespoon of nutritional yeast for extra flavor and a small protein bump. This is gentle on digestion, budget-friendly, and completely dairy-free. If chewing is tough, cook the veggies soft and keep pieces small. If you're watching carbs, skip toast and enjoy it as is.
Number 1, the budget winner, is the Greek yogurt parfait. Measure 1½ cups, about 340 grams, of non-fat Greek yogurt into a bowl. Most brands deliver about 30 to 33 grams of protein at that amount. Add half a cup of fruit for fiber and a tablespoon of pumpkin or sunflower seeds for crunch, and you're done in under 2 minutes. It's the most affordable, the fastest, and often the easiest to eat. Plant-based? Use a high-protein soy yogurt or soy skyr to land in the same protein range.
If you prefer it even smoother, blend the yogurt with the fruit and sprinkle finely ground seeds on top. Here's how to make these breakfasts work for you day to day. Aim for about 30 grams of protein at breakfast most days. If you're short, use small, simple boosts. Add 2 tablespoons of skim milk powder to oats or yogurt. Increase tofu or edamame by a few spoonfuls, or switch to a higher protein brand of yogurt or cottage cheese. Keep fruit portions modest if you're managing blood sugar, and lean on your protein anchor plus fiber for steadier energy. If chewing is difficult, choose softer options: yogurt bowls, protein oats, or a smoothie made from milk, Greek yogurt, and a little fruit. And if blood pressure is a concern, go light on salt and brighten with lemon, herbs, or cinnamon instead. A few common breakfast mistakes are easy to avoid. First, tiny breakfasts. Just toast, coffee, or a small yogurt cup don't reach the protein target, so your muscles never get the signal. Second, sugary breakfasts, pastries, or sweet lattes can be balanced by adding a clear protein source like eggs, tofu, or Greek yogurt at the same meal. Third, saving all your protein for dinner leaves your muscles under-signaled all day. Spreading protein across breakfast, lunch, and dinner is what research suggests works best for older adults. To make this simple, try a 5-day rotation so you don't have to think about it. Monday, Greek yogurt parfait, 30 to 33 grams. Tuesday, tofu scramble with edamame, about 30 to 31 grams. Wednesday, cottage cheese bowl, 30 to 35 grams. Thursday, protein oats without powders, about 33 to 34 grams. Friday, salmon and eggs, about 31 to 32 grams. Repeat your favorites on the weekend. This rotation keeps variety high and decisions easy, and every day starts with a strong protein signal.
Studies show that for older adults, meals with about 25 to 35 grams of high-quality protein, plus around 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine, give the best support for muscle maintenance. Hitting that target at breakfast helps switch on muscle building earlier in the day. Remember, this video is for education only, not medical advice. Please check with your healthcare provider for personal guidance. Quick recap before we close. We ranked 5 high-protein breakfasts that all hit 30 grams or more. Salmon and eggs for a classic plate with omega-3s. Protein oats without powders for a warm, gentle bowl. A cottage cheese fruit bowl for a fast, calcium-rich option. Tofu scramble with edamame for a satisfying, plant-based meal. And the budget winner, a Greek yogurt parfait that's done in 2 minutes. Choose the one that fits your morning and give your muscles the signal they need. If this helped, please tap like and share it with a friend over 60. In an upcoming video, I'll compare cottage cheese versus Greek yogurt to see which helps your muscles more after 60. We'll look at protein, leucine, lactose, taste, and even budget, so stay tuned.